Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I have one brow that's done and one brow that is not done. And that's because we're going to be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil. So if you want to see how that looks and how to apply it, please keep watching. The name of this brow pencil is called Brow MVP, and this is the packaging. So like the typical packaging that many of her products do come in. And the color that I'm using is soft black. Okay. It says here that this pencil is ultra fine tip for hair-like precision, styling brush for effortless blending. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks once I open it. And this is how the pencil looks. It says Fenty Beauty right there. It's pretty basic, but what I like about it is this part of it. I think this is so cool. I haven't really seen one like this for brows just yet, a little brush. And I did test it, of course, when I was doing this brow right here. But yeah, I like this. I think it's really cool. And then when you open up the other side, that's when you get your brow product. And you just twist it open like this. I'm looking over there because my viewfinder is there. I'm going to take it all the way out so you guys can see how much comes in it. Prayerfully, this does not break. Okay, that's it. So this is how much product that you get in here. I'm going to take this right back down. I don't want it to break. But it's flat on the top, as you guys can see. Can you guys see that? It's really flat on the top. I guess for the precision that they are talking about. Okay. Before we continue, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about what Fenty Beauty has to say about this product. The brow game will never be the same once we come to play. Meet Brow MVP, a retractable brow pencil with a unique paddle brush in 14 shades for everybody from strawberry blondes to true reds and deep black. Get yours today. So this dropped today on the Fenty Beauty website as well as in stores. I'm going to try to post another video on how I really do my brows, but for the sake of this, I just want to show you guys how this works and just do some brows. So what I normally do is I look at my brow. Sometimes I kind of brush it. So this brush is pretty good. So sometimes I do kind of brush it and kind of form my brow just with the brush. And I don't normally get my brows done. I've only got my brows done like waxed 3 times, and that's my wedding, and 2 times following that. But normally I try to go underneath my brow and line them according to what's already going on with my brows. So you guys can already see that it gives those feather-like strokes. Very thin, nice strokes. I like that a lot. So honestly, this is like the perfect pencil if you even just want to fill in your brows. So I know a lot of girls do that these days. They just fill in their brows. Me, I like to do the whole done deal. But yeah, so these are the strokes. So you can see how that looks. Literally, it's like little strokes. It gives you those perfect hair-like strokes. And if you look on my hand, I did do some strokes, but this is the regular stroke that you get. Can you guys see that? Let me do it right there. See that? So it's really feather-like strokes. So you could fill it in like that, or like me, I literally draw my line. I trace underneath the bottom of the hair, and then I go down. And it doesn't really matter if you have like extra, because when you clean them up, you're gonna clean that. So I'm using this mirror right here right now, so just so I can see it better. So I literally just draw my line following the bottom of what's there, and I do the same thing at the top. And then I use this to just go ahead and fill everything in between the line. And that's pretty much it, to be honest. That's all I really do. And then when I'm done, though, I do kind of sweep everything together so that nothing looks weird or out of place. I just try to brush everything together. And I brush a little bit outward. And then I brush it up to bring everything back together. Just so you won't have any harsh lines. And then pretty much my brows look like that, and then I conceal them. And normally, I'm gonna be honest, when I draw my brows like under, at this point I do them pretty good. I can do it without really messing up, without needing to clean them up. But when I'm on camera like this, you guys, for some reason I can't get that steady hand for you guys. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, and then I conceal it. I use the MAC concealer right here, and I can't see which one it is, but if you look at some of my older videos, I do tell exactly which one it is, because the little thing fell off saying which one it is. And then I use the Revlon, I don't know where I got this from, you guys, but go look online, because this is my favorite. It's broken, you guys. I need to glue it back together. But this is my favorite thing to do my eyebrows with. So I just dip it in the little pot, and then I just follow that. And once again, my hand is not too steady when I'm recording for some reason. See, I just follow that. Y'all see that? And I just clean it up. You clean up the top as well, and pretty much you're done. That's pretty much it. Okay, so I normally strongly dislike doing my brows on camera because I really have to be still and quiet, you know what I mean? But this did not come out bad for me doing it on camera for you guys. Tell me what you guys think of these brows using the new Fenty Beauty Brow Pencil, the Brow MVP. Honestly, you guys, right now, you guys already know I love this product, but I hate the price. I do not feel like a pencil should be $20 and with tax $21.06. I don't like that price, but I do like the pencil, so I would not be surprised if I buy this pencil again. Y'all, I usually like the what is it, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, but I don't feel like it's as precise as this. Of course not. But have I used the Anastasia's pencil like this? I'm not sure. I think I have, but right now I like this. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see, because I should probably do a comparison between this and the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil that's similar to this. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see that. But what is my final overview on this? I like it. Like I said, I like how it actually has those feather-like strokes, and I feel like the color that I use, which is soft black, I feel like it's perfect for me. I don't know if it's going to be good for anybody else, but those that are soft, a soft black, if your natural hair is around this color, both for your wig and your under wig, I feel like this is the perfect color for you. Soft black. Yes, soft black. Yeah, I think this is a great pencil. It worked for me, and I hope it works for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you go ahead and like it with a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share. You never know, this video might help somebody else. And don't forget, if you live to love, you would love to live. Bye, guys.